guys, we're sitting on the McLaren 650S. Car swap because the brake disc just broke on the McLaren 650S. It was so scary. But now we are joined with Sterling in his Audi R8 V10 Plus. So is this stock?
Yeah.
Is the car stock?
It's got exhaust on it, that's it.
Okay.
Good? We're good?
Sir.
Good man, good.
They will just recover debris after turn 8.
Yeah.
Apparently it's a brake disc or something.
Yeah, rotor exploded.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
650S rotor just...
Big one?
It just came off.
You wanna see it?
I believe after turn 8, right?
Yeah, after turning. Right here.
It's gone.
Oh! Okay.
Yeah.
It's been reported.
Okay, cool.
Someone will collect it, then race control will ask me to, will go green, then I'll release you.
Okay, thanks
Right?
man. Appreciate it.
All the debris has been removed and now it's time to go. What exhaust have you put?
I actually can't remember the brand. I think it might be Akrapovic, but
Okay. Is it like a custom exhaust?
yeah. Nothing too loud, just like enough, you know?
Do you daily drive this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't need a really loud exhaust. You can still
Yeah.
make it.
There's some GT3s in this club that just have like crazy exhaust. I just don't know how anyone does anything with them besides go on the track.
So guys, this was the Audi R8 we just went in. Just look at this thing, guys. It's got the ceramic brakes. It's got a British Racing green wrap. Super fun this was. We're done with the event. Super thanks to Sterling who's dropping me back to Dubai. And yeah, it was super scary in the McLaren 650S. I'm still shivering. I've never seen a rotor of a car just break and fly off in pieces. Guys, this is it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.